It's Friday night. I'm in the Nana area, and I'm gonna meet a friend down at the Green Room Bar. One of my favorite little spots here on Soi 7/1. Let's go check it out. It's a good bar right here, the Down Under. The Hangover 2 scene. This guy, I don't know how he's getting this truck down the street. The Hangover 2 scene where they tore the street up and they were there the next morning was filmed here on 7/1. All right, that's some tight driving down this little street. Carly Simon and James Taylor's daughter, Sally Taylor, showed up and sang a few songs with the Rolling Stones cover band, the Midnight Ramblers. I didn't know who she was, or I would have filmed a little bit more. I didn't know she came from rock royalty, but I caught a little bit of it, so check it out.
Thank you, Miss Sally Taylor, everybody. Sally Taylor, thank you so much. That's what the band needs, a chick singer. This is our final song for tonight. I want to thank everybody for coming tonight. Yeah, we had our special treat tonight. So thanks to Sally Taylor. I think she's already gone, but that was a real treat, Joe. Thanks so much. And thanks to all of you for coming out tonight. The Soy Dog Blues Band's coming up next. Come on, give them a hand. I know y'all want to hear some blues, so we're gonna regale you with their excellence. Street Fighting Man. Like this.
It is about 10 p.m. here on Sukhumvit, and we are heading to another spot. Just grabbing some quick food, then heading up the road. I moved up to Sukhumvit 33/1 in the Prompong area. Here's the Robin Hood British pub, and then right next door is, I've never ate at this place, soba noodles, Japanese. Have to give that a try. And O'Shea's. Irish pub. And then over here is an optical, and I'm not sure what this is, a wine cafe. And one of my favorite places is at the end here on the right is the Royal Oaks British pub. And here's a snack bar. A lot of Japanese style bars, snack bars. But the Royal Oak has a really good happy hour, especially during the week. I know on Wednesday and I think Thursday they have happy hour all night. So you can get a pint for 100 baht, 105 baht. It's a good deal. For whatever reason here in Bangkok, pints and draft beer, it's oftentimes top dollar. So here's the Royal Oak, and they have the upstairs is the Bangkok Comedy Club. But oftentimes they just go by fluid ounces or milliliters or whatever it is. So they figure a pint costs what a beer and a half would cost. It's not like in other places like the United States where sometimes draft beer is a little cheaper because there's not a bottle involved. Doesn't seem to work that way over here. If a beer is 100 baht, a pint might be 160 baht. This is Soy 33/1, and this is the Laughing Tiger. I've never been in there. I walk by it all the time. Seems more popular on the weekends. I think O'Shea's actually has a small hotel above. Kind of a noisy little area, but if you want to hang out in O'Shea's, that might be a good spot. There's really no getting out of the way of an ambulance. If an ambulance is behind you, you still kind of maintain your lane here in Bangkok, so keep that in mind how far you're going to live from the hospital.